All right, this is for my Math Whiz League mathletes. Each week during our 8 summer weeks of our Math Whiz League sessions, I would do a joke each week. Some of the jokes were awful. Some of the jokes were pretty funny. My Mike Tyson joke is phenomenal. I love that joke. I'm going to do 6 jokes for you since it's the end of the whole thing. Instead of just one joke, I'm going to do 6. I think 2 of them I may have already done either in session 1 or session 2. But anyway, here's 6 math jokes for you. First one is probably my favorite, probably now my second favorite math joke of all time. But there's a teacher teaching down in the deep south. He's teaching his kids how to find the area of a circle. And he says, you take the radius and you square it, and then you multiply it by pi. So for example, the area of this circle would be 25 times pi, 25 pi. So he says, because he's from the deep south, he says, now y'all want to use this formula right here. A equals pi r squared. Well, there was a student in the back of the class who was only half paying attention and kind of caught a little bit of it and sort of woke up and said, teacher, did you just say pi r squared? Well, that ain't right. Pi r round, cornbread r squared. All right. Sorry if you're from the deep south and I've offended you. It's fun language. All right. The second one, I'm going to make fun of you guys. Most of you guys are teenagers. Some of you guys are a little younger that do the Math League. But why do teenagers travel in groups of like 3, 5, and 7? Why? Because they can't even. All right, once again, making fun of how people talk. Isn't that terrible? Even my Mike Tyson joke makes fun of how people talk. It's terrible. They can't even. All right, anyway. This one, it's the most common joke, the most famous math joke. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. But why did 7 eat 9? Why did 7 eat 9? Because his doctor told him to get 3 square meals a day. You eat 9, 3 squared. All right. I told you, some of the jokes are terrible. All right. How do you find, here's a jack-o'-lantern, right, for Halloween. What do you get when you divide the circumference of the jack-o'-lantern and you divide it by its diameter? You get pumpkin pie. Circumference divided by diameter, that's what pi is. All right, so you get pumpkin. All right, I told you they're bad. All right, so there's this kid who walked up. Here's a kid. There's this kid who walked up to a tree and said, hey, Mr. Tree, I should give the tree something like that. Hey, Mr. Tree, how could I find the circumference of your trunk? And the tree really didn't know how and was explaining to the kid. It's like, gee, I'm a tree. Gee, I'm a tree. Gee, I'm a tree. Okay, geometry's how you... Anyway, and the last one. It's all about you guys. Making fun of you guys again. Okay? Why are some people afraid of you guys, you mathletes? Okay? But we love you guys, all right? But some people are afraid of you guys because you like math, you like problems. Each of you is a problem child, all right? There you go. You're all problem children. Thanks for joining us in the Math League, and hope to see you next summer, and we may be doing something during the school year. So, see you guys later.